Hi. Hi, Crazy Stewie. How's your day going? Also, how's the audio? If you're there. Very rainy. Is it too rainy? Tone down the rain a little. Thunderbolt and lightning, very, very frightening. Ooh. That might be a little better. Let me know. It's going? Good to hear that it's going. Alright. I'm gonna do some tweaks to the overlay system today. And I might look at that dialogue plugin. How's the going? Not too bad. Gotta get back into it, I feel. Let's see. What all did I want to work on? One of the first things I need to do is there was a submission of a new nyan sound that I want to include. Let's get it in there. Wait a minute. My avatar looks a little different. Is it okay? Let me just... there and... gotta have all stuff, right? I'm pretty sure... needs to go up a little. How about now? That looks a little better, maybe. I'm not sure. Whatever. different gloves today? Yeah, I got a whole bunch of different gloves. I've got a bin of clean ones and a bin of ones that need washing. That I just sort of cycle through. Today it's gray. Okay. They look black from far away? Yeah, they kind of do. I wonder why. Yeah, they're definitely gray ones. I wonder if the camera... Well, it's got... It should be okay. Oh, wait. It almost changed. Oh, well. What's it doing? Oh, yeah. Can Godot handle... What audio types can Godot handle? Audio stream... Audio stream, sample, MP3, hog. I'm guessing I'm gonna need... Will this go in here? No. So I'm gonna need to open you in Audacity. Skip. Yep, got a new nyan from Yukia. And export you as OGG. Yeah. Yukia. And we'll put you in... That's fine for now. And sounds. And where am I loading those again? Yeah. 01. Sound manager. Nice. Sounds like an appropriate place for them. Got that in there. I almost wonder if I should do something clever with this. Like, parse the username out of here and then do something with it. Nya list. Play Nya. Like, maybe there should be a little dialog box in the bottom that will have their name. But maybe that's a thing to do once I have more of them. The next thing I want to try is the UI for the main redeem, like subscriber, follower, cheer and stuff, is a bit loud. Where is it at? Handle, redeem, play thingies. Hi, Paul. Somewhere real quick to say hi and hope you have a great stream. Thanks for the warm fuzzies. And I hope you have a good sleep, Maple. Also, thanks for hanging out today. Super fun. Of course, nice. Good, good. Yeah, we were watching Sword Art Online Abridged, and it was amazingly funny. And now we just have to wait like a year or something for the next episode, which is fun. Yay. The video player. I can adjust the volume there. Nice. Too flippin' hilarious. And now the wait. Yes. Such wait. Much, much long. How do I tell how much quieter this is going to be? What if we did -5? Dropping to say hi before heading to work. Have a good stream. Have a good work, Snipester, and thanks for stopping by. I'll play this one. What if I did -10? That sounds much more reasonable, huh? I think that might be good, actually. It was a lot easier to fix than I thought it was going to be. Hi, Darkstalker.
Where is the library?
Where is the library, indeed? And thanks for the redeem. The library should also be quieter. Volume. Maybe 0.3. Maybe. And then I think that's good for those. How loud are the nyas? Are the nyas too loud? Sound manager play nya. I heard Nova everyone is wearing fingerless Novas. Wait, everyone's wearing fingerless me? I don't want to be without my fingers, I need those. Also, hi Souls, how's your day going? Oh, wearing me like that, huh? Maple, got a bit of a dirty mind? If... Those sunglasses are too huge. I can't handle it. Play current nya. Volume. How do I... what in this context is playing? Oh, wait, is it calling this play function? It is. Okay, so we can specify a volume here. Let's make it just a little bit quieter. I'm doing well. Bye, Nova. Nice. Dancing, licking, and gasm. Interesting combination of emotes. Alright. A part of me kinda does want to make some sort of indicator as to who the Nya came from. But how? Also, I should make a debug event for the text thing. So if we look over here, oh, I have a test drag thing set up that I never use. Is that, if I make a build, is that just always going to be there? Oh, I remember this. Crazy Stewie was helping me with this. So I could heckin' adjust the position of that, and the video would play there. But now the video is growing like that way. But I kind of want it to grow out from the center. Sorry, I'm just kind of picking up where I'm... Whoa! Hi, Zanarka. Thanks for the raid. Let's see what you're up to. Software and game dev? Nice. What were you working on? Hi there. Welcome to the stream. What were you working on? Little raid from France? Nice. I know that there's some really nice people in France. On Unity? Hell yeah. What in Unity were you working on? Or just learning, maybe? I don't need this. I don't need these anymore. Click the thing. Multiplayer game with flying ships and flying islands. Nice. That sounds super fun. I was trying to learn multiplayer stuff the other day as well. Today I'm working on the overlay system that you see, or, well, you can't see right now, but if you were to redeem, like a Nya, for example, it was a little cat's fly. I'm trying to write it all in Godot. Also, for any of you who might be new, hi, I'm Nova. Usually I'm learning the Godot game engine, or recently I've been learning Factorio as well. By making silly games for friends or stuff for the stream. For content, I'm trying to make super relaxing stuff that you could use to wind down the evening, put on in the background while you study, or maybe even help you fall asleep. And if any of you do any game dev or art stuff, please feel free to self-promote in the Discord. I cut the stream and then I realized I could raid? Raid S1? Wait. Cut the stream and then realized that I could raid. Oh, did you miss stuff? Or, but yeah, if you want to self-promote, and let us know what you're working on, feel free to drop a link. Senarka? Yeah. Or if you have like screenshots or whatever, I can bring up on stream for you. Let's see. Click the thing. That's where that's going. So we know that's working. Lurk, sleep time? Alright, Maple. I hope you sleep well. Oh, right. There's also... you just saw Nova Server bot. That's my little bot that I made. It's running Node and TMI.js. So there's commands you can use if you want. Oh, and everybody can use the shoutout command. It's not limited to just me or mods or anything. So if there's people you want to shout out, please do shout them out. Hi, Neontastic. How's your day going? So, if this overlay is here in the animation player for the Finky's glove, the rect scale on here, grow direction, end. That's probably where it's going weird. But I want it to be both, I think. Day going good, thanks? Hope you are as well. Oh! Thanks for the follow! See? That's what's supposed to happen. It's supposed to grow up from the center. I gotta fix that again, though. But yes, thanks for following. I hope you enjoy it here. And I'm glad to hear that your day's going well, Neontastic. Let's see. If I do that, put it over there, it's still anchored over there. So it's not the grow direction, although I probably want to leave that at both. Let's see, if I... Yeah, it's still growing like that. The scale is changing. Pivot offset? What if I did like 500? Whoa. It's different now. Now it's growing that way. Browser died, the Twitch died, but I'm back now. Welcome back, Crazy Stewie. I hope your browser goes okay now. But thanks for coming back. Let's see if I did 200 by 100. That's closer. Let's see, you are 320 by 180. Yeah! I figured it out. That's what I want to have happen. That... Did that really just... Is Twitch popping reminders for me now? What the hell? Twitch, get out of there. Wonder if I can interact. What? There we go. I can get rid of it. Nice. Yeah. Thanks for the nya, Super Billy Jilly. Expand from the center? Yes. And I think I figured it out. I needed to set the pivot to the center of the video player, which I could do by just getting, you know, the size of the video and just putting it in the middle. And now it's expanding from the center. Can use the anchors as well. So this... that might actually be what I want. More so. Anchors only... center? That's still going like that. Anchor... But if this works, it works. Yeah, but this is also a learning thing, so I'm gonna try it another way too. I'll go with said video game with development. Well, tonight I'm working on the overlay system, but later if I get all the stuff working kinda how I want it for the overlay, I'll move on to, there's a dialogue plugin I wanted to test out. There's also center container. I remember that! Yeah! Yeah! Let's see if that did the thing. I think that removed the size of it. Wait, 640 by 60? Yeah. That's still doing that. Shrink center min size. Make sure to make center container full rect. I don't know if I want it to be from the center though. Or do I want to make this thing it's inside another node? Yeah. I want this position as I drag it to drag the children's stuff too. Yeah. So silly issue, I suggested you to one of my many brothers, knowing full well that my parents would approve you. He hasn't looked into you out of fear. It's quite sad. Oh dear. Well, it's understandable. I'm not trying to like rock any boats or whatever. I'm just kind of hanging out and having fun. But I'm glad that you like hanging out here. If I did 640 by 360 there. does that do? Exactly. You're a cool person. I wish my family would understand that. Don't worry. A lot of people are still like that. But it's getting better. Don't worry. Center container. The test drag thing. Maybe I don't quite understand how the center container use top left. Center children relative to the center container's top left corner. That might actually be what I want. Scale works directly on the rect size. Yeah. So for this one, because it's got a scale of 0, I need to bring it back to this. Doesn't really respect the anchor stuff. Oh, I see. Okay. Doing all of this isn't gonna work then. You either use rect or anchor plus margin. Okay. So let's move you back in here, get rid of that, and then do pivot offset of 320 by 180. So then, there. That goes to that size, and then this can be used to move it around. Rectangle angry, rectangle smash, oh no! Also, hi E13E7, how's your day going? Or elite? Is it elite? I'm betting it's elite. Let's see if I mixed it up or not. Got that. Yeah, and then if we move over here, nice. Just got done with a 1-hour nosebleed? Oh no! That's no fun. Is it because of the whole seasons turning and stuff? Got like some allergies or whatever? I can definitely empathize with that. And you're right, it's elite and lead speak. Nice. Lead speak takes me back. So that... the test drag panel. Now, pretty sure that's... yeah, that's always present. But I want it to be only visible when the debug mode is on. So to do that, if I turn the visibility of view off, does that also affect... it does affect the children mode. Visibility hides children? I see. So I could instead do self-modulate to 0 alpha. Yeah, self-modulate. Okay. So we will do... you could make the child not a child and transfer the position using a script. Yeah. I could do that. Probably should do that, to be honest. Alright, I'll do it the right way. I'll transfer the position with the, what transform does for node 2Ds. Yeah. I remember that. I did that a few times in my claw machine game, I think. I'm pretty sure I did. So... Also, you are still replying to me on the chat overlay. Wait, where? The chat overlay reply? What? That's weird. Hold on a minute. Why? Let me try and fix that. It's like when I try to... Here, I'll even just show you. When I interact with it, the mouse is like offset. And like I can't get to it. What on earth? Hi, Kylo, above the VTuber. Yeah. Pinned there now. Speaking of pinned, oh. Replying on Twitch? I'm not actually. This is my Twitch window. Let's see if I can do this. Well, now, there, it's back now. Okay, I know what to do to fix it now. Cadet, just reply something? Yeah, I just refreshed the cache of it. But yes, I have Cadet in here. Let us bring Cadet in here. I'm assuming this one, right? We'll have Cadet be a hairpin. Wait. There, that kind of works. Thanks for the pin, Redeem. Hi Pierre Ugnon. Came in during raid one day, but was really late, so I didn't say anything. How's it going? Nice, it's going pretty well. How's your day going? Alright. We were gonna transfer the movement of this to the video player. So, been a good day? No problem for asking. I'm always happy to see how people's days are going. Add an export variable notepad. We'll call you dragged node. And then, what type are you? You are a node? Notepad. Like this? Gotcha. Okay. So then, in here, there should be this. And I can take this, move you as a child of the overlay itself. Then I can do this. Now you can do a get node to get the actual node. Yes, so where I'm doing this, one thing you might want to do is have the grabber below the grabbed. Like that. So the grabber exists when the grabber is ready. Also, it draws on top. I see. That's a good point, because the render order is the stuff on bottom gets drawn last, right? It goes like first to last. So the stuff here will be seen on top. On the bottom, the stuff will be on top. I think I got it. So then we want get node or null of dragged node dot rect global position. How's your day going? Thanks for hanging out earlier today. We were watching Sword Art Online Abridged, and it was amazing. So if we try to do get node on, if you're using or null, don't do rect global position right after. Check if it's null first. Good point. Current dragged node equals that. If current drag node, then we'll do current drag node dot rect global position plus equals also tell me if I'm backseating. Not at all. This is learning for me, so I am very appreciative of the help you're willing to give. Just set position equals position. Oh, you're right. I can do position equals the position of this. So it just equals the position that it is. That this one's is that one. Hi Samuela, how's your day going? Like your long cats? Nice. I've got a whole bunch of them. The ones that we have today are the bread loaf cat. It's like a loaf of bread. And the other one is the really long cat. It's super long. This cat is actually standing on the floor right next to me. And also, if you do a Nya redeem, you'll see a bunch of long cats flying across the screen. One extra thing. Ready, Neo, to set the current position so that... Oh, that's a good point, actually. So they start in the same place. Yeah. Yeah. That place is, about the actual grab node. Yeah. That is a good idea. So cute, love them too. Ah, thanks. I do too. And they are super nice to cuddle with. was actually just looking at those the other day. Funny to see them on stream. Yeah, you'd be surprised at how often these little buddies show up everywhere. I know a couple of other friends who have them too. I highly recommend getting them if you're on the fence of whether or not to buy them. It's possible to use the cheat code export node path on ready our target node, get node, drag node as node type. It's the node path to use as the node right away. Just a shortcut, but it's nice. Let's see. As node type. Wait. What is this node type? Like this? Is that a thing? Also, thanks for the Nya redeems, Crazy Stewie and Super Billy Jilly. Let's take a look. Export node path on ready. Oh, this would go up here. I think. Export node path on ready var drag node. Let's get node drag node as node type. Oh, for node type, would I put video player like that? Still doesn't like it. Oh, there we go. What I usually do is have variable name, variable with the path, and a variable name that underscores for the actual node. Ah, that is a good way of doing it. I like that. And set get to keep them in sync, like control, since it's a control node. Sort of see, I think. Like that. I grew up with a real long cat. Couldn't fit him through a door with any stretch arms. Whoa, nice. Heckin' long cats for real, though. That'd be fun. Hi Felix Zone, how's your day going? Type is just a comment. Your case seems to be control or something like that. I think I got it. Wait, control. Since you know what to use for other stuff, you can remove the get node stuff. So you want to do it with two variables. The one that are basically... Oh, I see. You're saying if I want this test drag to be used for other things, other than a video player. I think I understand. Most basic type that works. Gotcha. Good, and you? How's the project? Not too bad. Today I'm working on the overlay system that you see on the stream. Or we'll see if an event happens. And I'm making it so that you can drag around stuff on it if I need to. And Crazy Stewie and Charafael have been helping me out with it. Drag node isn't a node path inside process now. Oh, that's right, it's a control now. So what I want to do instead, I think, is do something like var dragged node. And then dragged node do I not want to do it that way? Node path. Yeah, I don't want this in there right now. Just the action node. Yep, the previous line was still there. Yeah. So I think... Okay, I think I got it. Drag node equals get node. So we'll get rid of this one. Get node or null on dragged node. Okay, and then if I do it this way, if it's null, if get node or null is still as control, will that actually be falsy, or will it be an empty thing that is control? So if we were to do like this, it's either control or null. When you do as control. Okay, so if I don't specify the drag node path and I cast it, I'm assuming that's what this does, is casting it as a thing, then it'll still be null if this doesn't exist. Yes? Okay, good. Anything that isn't controlled gets nulled. Ah, I see. If... Wait, I want to do the if in here still, I think. Or do I? I think so. Well... oh, I also do want to set... Okay, if drag node... The whole reason was I wanted to set the position of this thing. Drag node dot rect global position is equal to rect global position, like that. If the drag node doesn't exist, you don't really need the dragger. Queue free on ready. Hey, that's a good idea. Move the dragger to the dragged. You are correct. So it doesn't move the video player when you're in the scene. Yeah. Because I want the video... Yeah, exactly. Hi BS Cal, how's your day going? I think I learned half of a thing by watching. Nice. Did you mean watching this? That'd be super nice. Hi Cat.
Where is the library?
And where indeed is that library? Let me get the Nova switch up. There. And I want to bring Godette back. There we go. And then let's do this and that. There we go. Watching the code stuff? Nice. Good to hear. Day is ending. I shall lurk Kale while falling asleep. Cat, I will lull you to sleep to the best of my ability. we're working on a freelance project in Godot where a bunch of bots draw a picture. Nice! I use the Godot icon as the bot. Aww. Nice, nice. Alright, so I don't need that. Wait. Export file as notepad. I'm wondering now the difference between these. On ready is probably something I want. You don't need on ready? What does on ready do? I'm assuming it's not in the documentation. On ready sets the value right before ready is called. Oh, I see. I might do it this way then. Like that. Because that's the way that, to be consistent, kind of makes sense to me. Cat taking notes over there. Oh dear. If nothing else, Cat, hopefully it'll be nice and peaceful. It's useful if you're using something like var drag node equals get. I see. That on right would be called right after init. So the node wouldn't even be on the tree yet. Play it right before ready. Nice. Dedge and noise, so don't worry. Alright, Cat. I hope you're Dedge in a good way. Or a good way. Oh boy. I like it when you say oh boy. I know it means something good. Actually, not sure if it would be before or after init. I don't know if I actually knew there was an init. Like that, I'm assuming? Object is initialized in memory. Oh. I feel like that would be pretty useful. Oh my god. Twitch, why? What even is that? No, I don't want that. How do I get rid of it? It's not only visible to me. Hey, it got rid of itself? Whatever. This could be a good time to remind viewers to follow so they can watch your next stream. It is. Don't go there. Twitch doing its best to make things awkward for the streamer. Yep. Oh well. Check the feedback here, chat. Is it a web thing? Ad block it. No, I'm... Like most of my stuff, I'm doing something sorta lazy and hacky to get Twitch chat up there. I'll probably take a look at it later. Aw, nice that you're comfy, Doohoo. Getting all ready for sweepies. Alright, so if I'm not mistaken, this should actually work. Remember to actually set the node path. Yes, I think I have it set. Or I don't. Oh, because I changed the variable. gunning down a peeking doohoo. Nice combo. Alright, let's check it out. It broke. Why did it break? Because I changed the order of things. It is no longer under test drag. Let's get that out of there. Use the power of seeing unique names to avoid this issue. Wait, cat, I have a tail now? I wouldn't mind having a tail, actually. Especially if it was a prehensile tail. I could grab stuff with it. Okay, so... seeing unique names... Are you saying, like, I define it up here? Everyone wants some doohoo tail? Maybe. Right-click the node and mark as a scene unique name. What? I've never heard of this before. What? Oh, that's wild. What if the tail caused you to turn into the mighty Ozaru? I don't know that reference, but I'll have to check it out, I think. Maybe? Oh dear, the Nova. And we did the same thing you can get. Use get node no name to get the name, regardless of path. And it's scene local, so it won't work outside the scene, so no name conflicts. So the video player, I would then get it with wait. Like this? Is that how I access it? Drag the node? Hey, nice. I also didn't know I could do that. That's pretty rad. So now no matter where in the scene this is, it should... So like if I were to do... No! I want to click over here and add a node, and it's Control A. But it also selects everything over here. But I don't want it to do that. Test soup. Go to 2D view. I mean, yeah, I know it won't do that over here, but like, I want to be over here, because this is where I'm like thinking about stuff. Shortcuts do weird stuff, it's true. I know I could just be pressing this one. That was duplicate lines of code when trying to duplicate nodes? Yeah. Understandable. Alright, so... let's do this. also want it down here. What's debugger saying? Oh, that was from before. Okay. Ozuru is from Dragon Ball series. I learned the name because of DBZ Abridged. I need to watch DBZ Abridged now, I think. Now that I've got hooked on the Sword Art Online Abridged, which is all too short. There's a heckin' mayo jar? Dude, how did you ever find that? So then... yeah, let's see if this works. It doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? And that doesn't work. Da, 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 da. Get the nasty me out of here. Oh dear. It's delicious. I don't think I watched Sword Art Online Abridged. It's actually really good. I highly recommend it. I was just watching it with Doohoo and Maple earlier tonight. Makes you gag. Oh dear. Put it on all your sandwiches. Oh no! Something grabbing the click like test soup. Oh, you know what? Maybe. Also, this button, where is it signaling to? Here, play fingies, which is there. And it's here. The button should be... the button at least should be activating this thing. Shouldn't it? But it is not. Are you being clicked? Put the debug menu last, but not in there. Get out of there. No, get out of there. There. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it does work. All I wanted to do was test to see if it could get nested in there like that. So this getting clicked, it'll think it's the test soup node. I gotcha. Follow. I finally got it in my chat thing over here. The heckin' new feature that I don't really want. So hopefully it won't be up there anymore. It's a bit offset. Yeah. Oh, I see what you're saying. I got it. Sorry, just joined and new to your stream. What language tool is this? This is the Godot programming, or GD script in the Godot engine, and I'm making the overlay that you see on my stream right now. So if you do, like, a redeem, it does that text in the little animation here. And then I'll take a drink. And right now I'm trying to get it so that there's a video on here, and I want to be able to drag it around as mostly just a test. And it looks like it's working okay now. To the cozy robot haven. Yes. Wait, no, I'm not a robot. Cat, I'm not a robot. Whoa. Thanks for the follow, Zukucker? Zukucker? Hi, Coding Vibe. How's your day going? Nice. Been a software engineer for 25 years and never heard of Godot Engine. Yeah, the Godot Engine, it's like super lightweight and self-contained game engine. Yeah, basically, I suppose I should give an introduction. Hi to anyone who's new. I'm Nova. I'm usually learning the Godot engine by making silly games for friends, or recently learning how to play Factorio. You can find previous games I've made there. There's a Discord server over here. And as for content, I'm trying to make super relaxing stuff that you could use to, thanks for the follow, JT Webman. Super relaxing content that you could use to wind down the evening, put on in the background while you study, or maybe even help you fall asleep. And if any of you do any game dev or art stuff, please feel free to self-promote in the Discord. There's a promote section for yourself. Or maybe help you fall asleep. That's right, cat. When making Factorio for friends in Godot. That's way too advanced probably for me. Can't sleep just yet? Brain is numb. Oh, I hope numb in a good way. It's full of chemicals. Oh no. Were you having some happy times? Alright. So now Node is in one group. Am I actually using the debug node group? Am I doing that correctly? Wait, what emote even is that? What is that? Cat, what emote is that? Thanks for the warm fuzzies. Ah! Nice, good to hear. Alright, so if I looked at this... Oh, I guess it did line up now. So the video... Where are you? Oh, how did you get way down there? Da, 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 da. Mom and Dad are happy kids are having segs? What? Are you having the segs? Oh dear. Could make the debug thing draw the drag node rect as well. Do you mean like the debug area? Like this thing? Oh, cat. Because you and two are all warm fuzzied. Yeah, so warm fuzzied. The orange box. So if I take this, I'm gonna add, wait, that already is in this group, I think. Is it? How come it's not displaying it? Or did I not actually do... Where am I toggling the display? Or... Toggle debug. Oh, I'm just doing it directly. I'm not actually going through the group of nodes. I should probably do it that way. When you ask her how she likes her eggs in the morning, she says fertilized. Or, you know, some people, you know, like it with folks who can't do that. Instead of toggling, just set to debug mode active to prevent it from depending on the initial state. Wait. But how would I toggle it then? I'm kind of using it to like tab. I'm using the tab key to toggle between on and off. Also, yeah, I ate kittens, not sausages lately. Got a millennium, right? Node visible. Oh! Yeah! That makes way more sense than whatever the heck I've got going on here. Like that instead. Yeah, that's so much better. Now I need to figure out where get nodes and thanks, Crazy Stewie. That is exactly what I was trying to figure out. Get nodes in group. Or set group to set the property directly. Whoa! Thanks for the subscription, JT Webman. I hope you enjoy it here. If I do set group, sets a given property to value on all members of the given group. Oh, nice. Property value. That's actually what I think I want. what did I have the debug? Visible, yeah. What did I call you? Debug mode. Or debug node. Visible. Like that. Set group isn't declared in the current class. Get tree. No, I'd just like to say once again that I really enjoy your wispy voice. Aw, thanks. That makes me really happy. I, no joke, have been working really hard on my voice, so that people enjoy it means a lot to me. Now let's see. Nice. Okay. So I should also do this in REDDY. So that I don't have to worry about it here. I believe. Because if I set it there, it should set the visibility to everything. It did. Or it did. Oh no, I can't get it. Something's in the way. Oh, this needs to go like that. It shows your voice is getting against all odds, even cure. Thanks, Coding Vibe. Voice is very ASMR. I'm happy that you think it's comfy. Hi Yukia. How's your day going? Yukia, I finally added your nya in there. So once I make a build, it'll show up. I'm working on the overlay, by the way. Do you have any hopes to make it ignore? Wait, the debug menu itself? I'm pretty sure it was the video player getting in the way. Yeah, that was what it was. So now it works. I joined some company voice and I second that. Aw, thanks Yukia. Yeah, you can set them to ignore the mouse. Mouse. Filter. Ignore. Will this apply to children nodes? Thanks, Cat. Okay, thanks. Happy to have a week where I can do things at convenient times. Nice. Nice. It shouldn't? Okay. We will know in a second. Good. I think it's working. Or wait, no. That was that. Yeah. Nice. Let's do things all week then. Hell yeah. We should totally do some VR chat stuff this week sometime. I want to explore more worlds. But yeah, I'm so happy that you two are having fun. It heckin' warms my heart like you wouldn't believe. Alright, so right, the debug area. So happy you guys have one there. Hell yeah. Yeah, I mean, I'm doing more this week than usual, because I can, but hopefully your chat will be possible. Yeah, yeah. Hell yeah. Gonna draw the rectangle? Yeah. While the debug mode is on, is there like a flag to set to show the debug? House. Thanks for the nya, Yukia. But your nya isn't in there yet. I still haven't made. I need to make a build for this build, and then it'll be in there.
Where is the library?
Where is the library? Make the dragger draw it. With draw rect. Inside draw. This drag. And there's a function called draw that I didn't know about. So if overlay dot is debug mode active, then it's invisible if it isn't visible. Oh, you're right. Wait. Maybe you're right. User local lib. Hi Meta Knight, how's your day going? And user local lib is where you put your personal libraries of packages of stuff you install. Or at least that's where I put mine. It took me a long time before I made it load them from disk at runtime. Wait, am I missing a thing? Draw rect. Draw functions are local. Draw. So would it be dragged node dot draw rect? Oh. The cheese sounds. Oh, I see. You're talking about the. It took me a long time before I made it load them from disk at runtime. They are. In Godot, they're cached, I think, which is super helpful. So it would be, I'm just gonna copy that. Draw rect 1, drag node rect size. Rect 1, rect 2. Wait, 2 figure arguments for draw rect. Instead of having them hard coded. Oh yeah, I'm still hard coding them. I know how to do it. I've done it before for other projects. I just was kind of lazy. I'll get it to do a directory walk though eventually. Cat, Yukia, you're both too cute. You know that? color and thickness and whether to fill or not. Rect, color, filled. We want color cyan. Is that all it needs? The others maybe have default values. Invalid color cyan. Blue. Let's second do blue. It doesn't like string? What? Oh. Color dot cyan? Or just heckin' like that? There we go. Have you all streamed with the rain sound, or is it only recent things I started watching you? So nice. I'm happy to hear it. I used to do it on and off, but lately I've been trying to include it when I remember it, because I really like it as well. Same with the laziness. Yeah, I'll get it working eventually. Heckin' blue. Or cyan. So now let's see if that works. Oh. That is too much. But it is there. I got a heckin' square. Also call update inside process to redraw when needed. Update. Oh, nice. Probably not in this case. Still a good habit to get into, I feel. Heckin' long Yuki cat. Alright, so the next one is false. I don't want it filled. Ah, nice. And then hell yeah. It's doing the thing. Now I can see where it's at. Long derp? Yes. So long, so derp. Thanks again for all the help, Crazy Stewie. Could also resize the drag node itself. To the same size as the video. Oh! That's a good idea. Yeah, let me actually do that. I'm learning all sorts of stuff today. Alright, so... Oh, also... I remember from a previous thing, we were going to do a queue free here. Because if this isn't defined, we don't need it. So let's just heck and get rid of it. then also we can do rect size is equal to dragged node dot rect size. Let's see what that did. Hey, nice, but it is too bright now. So, or not too bright, but let's do self-modulate to make it like that. Yeah. You can make it just a control instead of a panel, or you can get rid of the rect drawing code. I don't know, I kind of like both. Same color as your cute plush? Aw, thanks. Just make a custom style box? I think I have a style box in there. I suppose I could set... That's probably where I should set it, huh? Instead of the self-modulate. Oh, that didn't work. Or did it not save it? Can you... Oh, I can make this have a border. That's a good point. Heading to bed. Have a great stream. Thanks, Coding Vibe. I hope you sleep well. Hi, new Joker. Thanks for the warm fuzzies, the hydrate,
Where is the library?
The stretching, and the library. Got the hydrate and stretching. Yeah. Thanks for the stretch. And the nyas. Yeah. Thanks everybody for the nyas. Okay, and translucent fill. In the style box. It's just testing the overlay. Hey, bunch of nyas. Yeah. That's a big stretch. I needed it. Yeah. So many nyas. Nice. I like how the text kind of works too. Nyapocalypse. Like Yuki's cheese apocalypse. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much no secret, but I saw Yuki's overlay stuff and I'm like, I want to do that too. So Yuki, you heckin' inspired me to work on my own overlay. So many nyas indeed. Alpha on the fill works for me just fine. Draw center. Wait, is that what's doing it? It's much easier to spam nya redeems on mobile. Nice. It's cool that I inspired you. Yeah, you did. You heckin' did. Everybody, go check out Yuki's stream. Such an amazingly cool overlay. And an amazingly cool streamer. need you to do something for me. Teach a class for me on how to make visual novels? Listen, I've never made a visual novel. I might, though. Wait, it isn't updating it. Does it set its own color somewhere? I thought that was the only place, but maybe it does it elsewhere? Thanks for shouting out Yukia. Also, yes, the shoutout commands can be used by anybody. Hi, young ex-snack-one, excuse me. Ma'am, may I please eat your ass? A strange thing to say right off the bat. But your account is a little young. But welcome to the stream regardless, I think. Look on the 2D view. See if it updates in the editor. You are really small. Nova, what if all your long cats in the Nya had a random modulate for all kinds of rainbow? I tried doing that, and it looked really weird. I think it's because, the lighting on it isn't quite right. I do want to experiment with that, though. Yes, it does. Maybe comment out the draw and the update. Alright, let's see. Nope, it looks like that's still there. Please, I'll do all sorts of disgusting, down bad things to you if you gave me a chance. You coding? Can you please code me some bitches? I need that. You're coming on awful strong there. But yeah, I'm coding the overlay system. Reload the project. I thought the long cats are bones. Yeah, a lot of people think that. I think I need to take, yeah, you can kind of see them now. But I need to take a new picture of them, I think. I'm not sure who submitted the original picture of the long cat. It used to be when I had it like laying across my screen there. It's stuck on the old style box. Maybe it's being set in code somewhere. That could be. Yeah, let's see. Oh, wait. Well, let's do... The style box isn't even showing up. But yeah, maybe I do need to reload the project. Ah, it's so big. That would be eyeball. Did it for a pin and then the longer cat. Oh, thanks, New Joker. Maybe a 2D drawing of it with a black outline would stick out as more of a cat. I was also thinking I could have like a bunch of different variations of it. I see Doohoo still being all comfy. Draw center is off. Only drawing the border. I think I just... It looks like it's on. Hey, you're right though. I don't think it actually changed. Yeah, because when I reloaded, it didn't have this changed. My fault. I didn't mean to come off so strong there. I know you have feelings and emotions, and looking at you only as a sexual object is very wrong because your emotions and feelings. And don't worry. And believe me, I'm not like against like sexy stuff at all. I just don't want folks to feel uncomfortable. Only drawing the word. I think it's a combination of the color and the fact that they're rotating. Press to which end is the head and which is the tail. Oh, you mean for how to distinguish the long cat? That makes sense, actually. It's back to the old style box. Yeah. But on the realist note, back on stream. Oh, you're back on streaming? Yeah, New Joker's got the right of it. Try removing it. Clear. New style box. Like that. Well, there we go. Yeah, there was something in there that was making it weird. I don't know what though. But I think it's fixed now. Alright, so I think we can do a little bit better. Yeah, spooky style box, indeed. We can add a label. And let's do font. Yeah, like that. And then draw text is a thing as well, but not really needed. I think I'd rather use a label. Label may block mouse input. Okay, let's, before I forget, let's turn that off. Oh, I guess it's set to ignore by default, which is probably what we want. Thanks for the Lexukia. So then here, I want to have this reorganized a bit. Export var, we'll do box name. And then when we're ready, we'll do label.text equals box name. We'll put sample in there. I only just saw the licks from Joker and I was like to join in. So many licks. Also, the grabber is a scene. Maybe put the label in the grabber scene. Wait, isn't it? This test drag is the scene. and the label is in it, right? Good luck, Nova. I'm gonna try to get up early for the start of the week tomorrow. Hope the overlay turns out great. Thank you. I hope you sleep well. Click the cinema thingy. Oh, what? I didn't realize that I had a separate scene for it. Thanks for pointing that out. Yeah, that's what I want. We'll call you Thingy's Vid. Now, hey, there we go. Nice. Better late than never for the licks, yeah. Sleep well, yes, sleep well, Piero. For the strip right, you can just copy the node. You delete, and it's gone already. Wait. Click. Just copy the. Oh, I see what you're saying. I could have, yeah, copied and pasted it over to here. I don't think I did. I didn't really change anything, so it was just as easy to recreate it over here. But I do know that you can copy nodes or even groups of nodes between objects. Between scenes, I mean. Never too late for a lick. Yeah, gotta have a lick every now and again. Whoa, hi Platinum Fox, thanks for the raid. Let's see what you're working on. Software and game dev, nice. What all were you working on today? Thanks for the hearts. What sort of stuff were you working on? Trying to change my mouse cursor? Ah, I see. I haven't even thought of how to do that. I bet I could simulate it though. I bet there's a way to hide it. Might be easy to do. I think Platinum Fox is using Unreal 5. Godot supports it by default. Nice. Using Unreal? Yep. Alright, this label... margin... left 10 and top 10. Just a little bit, so that's within the box. Yeah! So now I know what this one is. And now I kind of want to rename it, because test drag is what I was using for testing, but I actually want to use it for what do I want to call you? Input, set custom mouse cursor. Ooh, nice. Let's change it on hover, but not and click. Drag handle, drag box. What is it doing? It's surrounding or encapsulating a thing on the overlay. Drag. Move overlay. Overlay box. Overlay box. translation gizmo. Repositioning apparatus. What would make sense to me? Asparagus. I can't remember the last time I had asparagus. It's been a while. I think I'm going to call it overlay box. Or overlay drag box. Yeah. Overlay drag box. Overlay drag box. What all is this gonna break? Probably a bunch, maybe nothing. We'll see. Hey, it didn't break. Nice. Reload project? Not a bad idea. Come back here. It would be nice if when you reloaded the project it opened to the same size. Usually do it when errors like that appear. And they poof out of existence. Yes, yes. Open you to the same size. Ooh, new Joker. Whatever that means. Could mean a lot of things. Alright, so we've got this. You are an instance of overlay drag box, which we can then rename to video drag box. Because we know that it is synced up to the video. Now, where the particle effects are over here. How am I adding these ones? I'm adding them as a child to that. But maybe I don't want to. Let's say I want to have them in different spots for all of the different redeems and not have them all come out of just the same spot. I should probably do multiple players, one for each video. Well, they're not. They're actually, the rest of them are just particle effects. So I should really do some reorganizing, I feel. How do I want to sort them? Because eventually I think I'll want to have a bunch of different kinds of redeems. I was actually thinking, instead of having ones for like hi Patty Wagon, how's your day going? YOENTC? I'm not sure what those stand for. Redeem tree. Make each effect individually. Make some nodes to combine them. Text, particle, video. Yeah, I think I might... So, one of the issues I was running into was some of them, like the library and the Nya weren't playing correctly unless I loaded them into the scene and then let them play and then let them remove themselves. Some nodes that run multiple of those at once. Yeah. So I think what I might do is have a folder or directory for these different scenes, and each one of them, like a node that runs children in parallel or runs, yeah. Exactly. I have a bunch of these different scenes, and then I would have, I guess, so the decision I'm trying to make right now is if I put, like, let's say I want the Nya to happen over here, but I want the heart effects to occur over here, the water over here, but maybe the library over here. Right now I think I'm controlling them all with offsets, which is pretty hacky. Is software dev your day job? How many years of experience? What's your total comp? I do systems engineering for my day job, so I'm like a half-decent programmer, but I've been learning the Godot engine just sort of for fun. You're only elegant and terribly cute? Aww, thanks. Basically the most basic components and ways to combine them. The other half is expert. No. But yeah, thank you. For anybody who might be new, hi, I'm Nova. I'm learning the Godot game engine by making silly games for friends, and today I'm making the overlay that you see on my stream. And I'm trying to make it so that I can kinda move stuff. Hey, there's Nya there. Nice. But yeah, like the Nya redeem, when that shows up, it'll pop up. Yeah. Hi Casper Dragonwolf, how's your day going? So yeah, I'll want like separate boxes for all of these, I think. Which reminds me, 2-for-1s, Nyas. Yeah. Oh, I'll get it playing. Get your 2-fers. Yeah. I like the text. I feel like that works really well. Working on rewriting my OBS overlay. Yeah. There was a Yukio one. Nice. Yeah. It'll be in the new build, Yukia. I've given up on trying to keep track. Oh dear. Trying to get it ready for tomorrow. Fingers crossed. I'll cross them for you as well. Got them nice and crossed. Yeah, it'll be in there. Don't worry. I was also thinking I'll probably want to have like a little label at the bottom that'll show like whose Nya it is, with maybe like their Twitch handle. I think I still need to figure out how I want to do that. Hi Aaron, how's your day going? Thanks for the warm fuzzies. Nya credits. Yes, indeed. Thinking of doing that too? Nice. This Nya is brought to you by... Exactly. The